In a quiet, warm home, a little boy named Sihle Beqezi sits on his father's lap. He's just 3 years old. His tiny hands press the keys and his wide eyes stare at the glowing screen. From the very beginning, Sihle wasn't afraid of technology. While other kids played with toy cars, he was learning about commands, folders, and files. His father introduced him to a new world, the world of Linux. "This isn't just a computer, my boy," his father said, smiling. "This is Linux. Here, you're the one in control." Sihle didn't understand everything, but he felt something special. As he grew, so did his curiosity. By the age of 4, he was using the terminal like it was a coloring book, typing, learning, exploring. He soon learned his favorite command, sudo dnf install supertuxkart. The day that game launched, the little penguin racing across his screen, he laughed with pure joy. Linux became his playground. It wasn't just about games. It was about learning, experimenting, and feeling free. One day, Sihle's father decided to show him something new. He installed Windows 10, then Windows 11 on another computer. "Try these, Sihle," he said. "They're what most people use. Maybe you'll like them too." At first, Sihle was amazed. The screens were bright, colorful, and full of animations. There were games, browsers, and shiny buttons everywhere. But as the days went on, something didn't feel right. He wanted to see how things worked underneath, but Windows wouldn't let him. There were no open commands, no deep customizations, no real freedom to explore. He looked at his dad one evening and said, "Tata, Windows looks nice, but it feels like I'm just visiting someone else's house." His father smiled. He knew his son had made his choice. So they reinstalled Linux Fedora 42, clean, fast, and free. As the blue desktop appeared, Sihle grinned. He opened a terminal window, his small hands typing carefully, sudo dnf update y. "Now I'm home again," he said, excited. This time he explored even deeper, learning how to update his system, customize it, and fix small problems all on his own. He wasn't just using Linux, he was understanding it. His father watched with pride. He realized that Sihle wasn't just learning about computers, he was learning independence. "You see, my son," he told him, "Linux is like life. It gives you freedom, but you must learn to handle it with care." Sihle nodded, already wise beyond his years. He didn't just want to play, he wanted to create. He opened a text editor and typed his first few lines of code. "Echo welcome to Sihle's world." And when he pressed enter, those words appeared on his screen, his first creation in the digital world. By the age of 7, Sihle had become the little tech helper of his neighborhood. He fixed his friends' computers, helped his teacher print files, and showed other kids how to use Linux. When a friend asked, "Why do you still use Linux when Windows has more games?" Sihle just laughed and said, "Because Linux lets me learn, not just play." His curiosity inspired others. Even his teacher started asking him for help. Today, Sihle still plays soccer with his friends and runs through the fields. But when he comes home and opens his computer, the world opens with him. He dreams of becoming a developer one day, building games, software, and tools that help others learn. And it all began with one decision, a choice between Windows and Linux. A choice between comfort and curiosity. A choice to be free. From the age of 3, Sihle Beqezi found joy in exploring, learning, and breaking limits. His story reminds us all that technology isn't about brands or systems. It's about freedom, curiosity, and the courage to explore. Sihle didn't choose the easiest system. He chose the one that let him dream. Thank you so much for watching Sihle's incredible story. If it inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.